isiokwu anyị wee bịa n'ụbọchị taata bụ healing broken relationships. Ọnya bụ isiokwu anyị. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu okwu ya? Healing broken relationship. Anyị ga-akọwa ya both the spiritual angle to it and the physical angle to it. What I can tell you is that fixing broken relationship is very important because in creation there is a primary purpose why we are all created, and that primary purpose is to become better human spirits, because before man was permitted to come down to this gross material world, the mystics, the elemental being, have been living in this gross material world, earth. But people get taught it wise to send human spirit down to this gross material world so that we will have earth with the mystics, and by so doing build personal relationship with spiritual forces.